personally bought at least 3 of these things for my son. These are the cheap $50 tablets that you get at Walmart, and I just wanted to do a quick review on how well these things work, just from somebody who knows technology. So as far as I know, this thing has a 1.3 gigahertz processor in it. It's a quad-core processor, so 1.3 gigahertz quad-core processor. Also has 16 gigabytes of storage, but for some reason you're only going to be able to use around 10 gigabytes of the storage. I don't know why that is, but it just says 10.31 gigabytes of storage when I go to turn it on. It is a 7-inch touchscreen, so the screen isn't going to be too big. A bad thing about this is there's like this big black border around the edge that takes up probably half an inch of the screen on each side, so I mean it really just wastes room for this junky little camera that you'll probably never use. And any kid from nowadays is not going to want to use this camera, trust me. So here, I'll actually go ahead and pull it up and show you guys. So it is very, very bad camera. I'll take a picture right here, 2 pictures, and I'll put them in the video. So it does have Bluetooth 4.0, which is going to be a plus in most cases. And you will be able to install a lot of different games. So you will be able to install games for your kids to play and stuff like that. But again, the processor speed isn't very good. It's not going to be something that you're going to want to use for everyday use. But if you have a kid or you have somebody that wants it, that is younger, starting out with their first piece of technology, this would be a great buy for them. Again, because it is very simple, simplistic, and easy to use. But don't buy it without a case and taking all of those tips into mind. And again, if you have bought it, just follow those tips to ensure that you can keep it for maybe longer than a year. If you have had yours longer than a year and it works properly, let me know down in the description below. If you have any problems with your tablet, whether it's not turning on, the screen's not turning on, let me know. I'll make a video on it personally just for you and post it up on my channel. If you have anything, again, just post it in the comment section below. Subscribe, click like, and I'll see you guys next time.